Hello, hi. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Master Class, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced, Chapter 3. In this video, we will learn how to create a art using brush tool, line tool and pencil tool. This is the complete video to learn how to create art. Just start. Previous video, we will learn curvature tool. This video, we will learn how to create a art using pen tool, block brush tool, pencil tool. Okay, just select paint brush tool. Paint brush tool, you can increase and decrease using the close bracket and open bracket. Open bracket, you can increase the size of brush, and open bracket, you can decrease the size of brush. Okay, you can draw the brush. Okay, you can fill the color also using the color fill here. Okay, you can fill the color also. And the second one is a blob brush tool. This both the brush tool, you can find the difference between both the brush tool. You can fill the outside of blob brush tool. You can fill the color of outline also. And this simple brush tool, paint brush tool, you cannot fill the outline of color in this. Okay, just select this outline. You can create here. You can fill the outline also. Stroke size you can increase like that, outline. And blow brush, here no stroke to fill the color. Okay, there is no outline, you can change or fill the color. Okay, both the brush tool, this is the different. Okay, pencil tool, you can draw some artwork like that. Okay, now I can fill the color in this artwork using brush tool. This is the artwork. I want to fill the color here, something. Click the color, yellow, using the brush tool. Or you can draw some, just like, just a minute, rectangle. I want rectangle and I want to fill using brush tool, pen brush tool. I want to increase the size of this. I want to fill the color, but it is not possible. You have to select the layer first. Okay, this is the layer. I want some rectangle here. I want to fill this rectangle. Okay, so just right click here. This is the rectangle. Lock and create another layer here. Create a new sub layer. Create a new layer. Okay, so layer 1 and layer 2. Okay, this is a layer 1 and layer 2. Okay, so I want to lock this layer 1 and layer 2. I want to fill the color. Okay, just like so. I just select one paint brush, increase the size of pen, and I want to fill the color over here. So blue color, no, red, just a minute, purple color I selected, and I want to fill the rectangle. This is the rectangle I want to fill don't worry if your color is fed up out of rectangle, because I have already locked. Okay, so layer, go to layer. I have locked this layer 1 and layer 2 I have filled. Okay, so just eraser tool you can use, erase the outline of color, this like of, you can erase the color also like that. Okay, you can erase the color, or you can draw a one line. Just a minute. I want to draw a one. Okay, stroke, you can increase the stroke size like that, 9. I want to fill color over here. Go to layer, select first, select, delete this one. This also I want to delete. Select everything and delete it. This, okay. And now I want to create a one layer 1, layer 2. Okay, this is layer 3. Click here to lock and this unlock. Okay, I want to fill this color in different color. Okay, go to here and select a color. Go to paint brush, right click, lock paint, fill color, anything you want, blue color, and I want to fill the color. Stroke color, just a minute. You cannot fill the color because it's not an object. You have to object to fill the color. Okay, this is the arrow is not displaying, so go to here, lock, unlock. Okay, now you can select one brush tool and fill the color. This is the fill the color, because I have to lock this object. Okay, just fill the color, everything I have to fill like that. You can increase the block size, brush size, and you can fill color also. Okay, this filled. Okay, now I want to use eraser tool. This is the eraser tool. You can increase and decrease the size of eraser. Okay, I have locked so that this is not a remove. Okay, layer 1 I have locked. This is the size. Okay, like that. So simply you can draw one art and fill the color, and also you can double click here, and here is the keep selection. So just I have to delete everything over here so that you can learn everything. Locked object, unlock, and then select everything and delete it. Okay, now double click here. So there is the brush property will be displayed. This is the brush. Okay. Now just double click here. You can fidelity you can increase and decrease. Fidelity is the smoothness or accurate. Smoothness means you can draw smoothly, zigzag, smoothly. Now you can double click. Fidelity is accurate. Then this is the accurate. Now I want to change the color. Blue. Okay. Blue. Fidelity. Now double click here. Second is the keep selected. If I want to draw one, keep selected. This is selected, and simple one object can be, this is a merge. Okay. And if you don't want to select merge only selected, then you can get a different like that. Just a minute. This is the one single object created. Okay. Group, ungroup. Just a minute. Merge selection. You can create. Double click over here. Remove. Okay. Draw a one. Now selection tool. Just a minute. Direct selection tool. Okay. Right click, double click, and you can increase the size of brush here also, or you can choose close and open bracket also. This close bracket, open bracket, you can increase or decrease, or you can double click here and size you can increase and decrease. Okay. You can angle also you can choose, or you can round ends, you can ellipse, or simple circle you can select. Okay. If you want to make a design like a ribbon, you can select this one, or you can increase or decrease over here also. No need to change the color, angle. Here you can change, and size also you can increase and decrease. Okay. So I want to make a one ribbon. Okay. So you can draw a ribbon type. Okay. This same size you can draw. Now another is a fixed size. You can randomly you can select here, or यहाँ you can put the some random value like that. Okay. Now you can decrease the size of this brush so that you can find the different. Just a minute. Remove this everything. Also remove. Okay. Now select a brush tool. You can fill the color also. Some different color. Orange. Now you can find the different random value. Where is the curve is going? There is a different. Here is the different. You can draw a ribbon type. Right click here. Random value. You can choose the 0. Now this 0. Like that. Okay. This fix. Okay. Now you can find out the different like that. Okay. Now I want to show you how to draw a one. Just a minute. Let's say lock so that I can't remove it. Okay. Now you can draw a one. Pencil tool. Use the pencil tool, or you can use this curvature tool, pen tool. Like that. You can make a one art bar. Now, just a minute. I want to fill this artwork. Lock. Go to here. Create a new. And here you can unlock this. I want to fill different color over here. Go to brush tool. Fill the color. But outside is going to. So we have to lock one layer first. Okay, just a minute. Select, go to layer and this lock. Create another layer, this, and draw some another color. Go to layer, go to color, fill color, block, brush tool, go to color, fill another color. I want to color this. Like that. This is the another path. Okay. So this all are the basic tool. Like that. This is the selection tool, direct selection tool, and here is the pen tool, anchor point tool, and this is the curvature tool inside this, and this is the ellipse tool, rectangle tool, polygon tool, star tool, line segment tool, and this is the brush tool, pen tool, blob, brush tool, and pencil tool. These all are the basic tool of Adobe Illustrator. So next video I will learn something different. Okay, thank you for watching.